We got the Masterbuilt Gravity 1150 thanks to our Next Grill Up campaign, and we've had a lot of experience with it over the past few months. So how does it stack up, especially when compared to wood pellet grills such as the Weber Searwood or Recteq Flagship? Stick around to the end because we've got a recent update on the status of our Gravity 1150 at the time of this video's release. If you're considering purchasing this machine, you won't want to miss this.
Basement.
The Masterbuilt Gravity comes in at $1,100 on the Masterbuilt website,
which is a pretty decent price in the scheme of things, lining up with the Weber Searwood, perhaps the major player in the non-gas grill space for this price range. The Gravity is shipped unassembled in a box, and let me tell you,
so I don't know what goes on here.
This was the hardest grill assembly we've done so far.
An hour and 45 minutes, we finally got this guy built. We thought this was gonna be a lot easier. A lot of the holes didn't really match up with the screws and we had to force things, but.
Could be user error, don't know.
Maybe.
Be prepared for some frustration and a few hours of build time, unless you are lucky and very handy. On the bright side, assembly is a one-time thing, so this is certainly no showstopper.
That was a pain.
Yeah, but it's okay.
You know what they say, nothing good ever comes easy.
Once assembled, we were really impressed with the cook space. Because the hood is so big, you have space for 3 full racks.
Is it 2 upper racks?
Yeah, there's 3 racks.
That's awesome.
Yeah. Next, you'll install the mobile app and connect it to your Wi-Fi so that you can control your cooks and your temps from afar, no matter where you are.
We did have a bit of difficulty with the app during our first cook. It kept reporting the wrong temps when connected to the Gravity over Wi-Fi rather than locally via Bluetooth.
The Wi-Fi app doesn't seem to work. We were downstairs playing shuffleboard and I was checking the app. It was like, oh, it's at 380 degrees because we were turning it down to 275. And I was like, why is it not going down? I came up here and it was 275.
But when you get near the
When I bring the phone near this giant antenna from 1998, all of a sudden it connects. So I think the Bluetooth is working, but the Wi-Fi is not. We had heard rumors of controller and build quality control issues, and this was our first indication that there might be something to it. Eventually, for no rhyme or reason that we could tell, the app started reporting the correct temps even over Wi-Fi.
I got high hopes for this grill.
Me too.
To get going, you put charcoal in the hopper.
It's got ceramic plates with numbers and letters we don't know.
What exactly those mean? Oh yeah.
We really liked the ability to also add wood chunks and even a full Texas post oak wood split in the hopper.
Don't breathe in the dust.
You put a fire starter underneath in the designated spot and light it up. Once the charcoal is hot enough, you close the hopper lid and front door and power up the controller. Set your desired temp and go. Now the fan kicks on and delivers more or less air to the charcoal based on your desired temperature inside the pit. And with the ability to go as low as 150 and as high as 700 degrees.
That one's definitely cooking faster, 700 degrees.
God, so these are real hot, these pipes.
Yeah.
It's a great concept. Charcoal without the headache.
Woo! It's great to smell charcoal
Smells
on your
good.
deck again, sir.
I know.
Welcome back.
Or is it?
Dude, what is happening right now?
Our very first cook was St. Louis spare ribs, and they came out very good.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh my God.
Hey, it tastes great.
I definitely taste the smoke flavor. Super tender.
Masterbuilt Gravity. Don't mess with charcoal.
Oh my God. Well, we're gonna find out
I know.
next week when we do head-to-head battle, Searwood versus the Masterbuilt.
Our second cook was a face-off between the Weber Searwood and the Gravity spatchcock chicken.
You're really scared the Searwood's gonna lose in this one.
I'm not scared. I already know it's gonna lose, basically.
You never know, dude.
I mean, charcoal.
On the same night, we also threw some jalapeno sausage brats on the Gravity, just because.
We'll do a taste test before the chicken, maybe.
Even though the brats had clear charcoal flavor from the Masterbuilt,
Masterbuilt. Both were delicious, but the charcoal flavor on the second one.
that sausage is super good. I don't know what to do anymore myself.
Just stand here and eat sausage.
Yeah.
That's what.
Amazing.
somehow the same wasn't true for that spatchcock chicken.
You chose the breast of the Masterbuilt and the thigh of the Searwood.
Interesting. That first thigh hit me super nice.
That was the Searwood.
Because it was more smoky and the second one was more juicy with less smoke, man.
The Masterbuilt was less smoke.
Yes.
Man, I'd call this even. I'm very shocked.
Me too.
And over the next 3 additional face-offs, we encountered similar results.
I love the charcoal flavor. The first ones were crispier and a little juicier on the inside.
So if you're gonna pay for these wings, which one would you pay for?
Number 1.
So Searwood. Ma'am.
And
This one.
that's the Searwood. I guess I go number 1.
That's Searwood. God.
Are you
You're
serious?
amazing. That's from the middle, dude.
I'm so confused. All right, let's call this. If you want to sear, this one wins. If you want grill marks, you're good with the Searwood, but the taste was the same to me.
Did I pick Searwood? I feel like I did.
You picked the Searwood.
And it tasted better, dude. I don't know why. I knew it, I think, when I took it, but that's blind taste test. It is what it is.
So I picked the
I'm
Masterbuilt.
disappointed, but yes.
You picked the Searwood.
Dude, it tastes so good.
Cooks where we thought the charcoal from the Gravity would shine. Whole chicken, steak, wings, brisket. There was almost no difference between charcoal on the Masterbuilt Gravity and regular wood pellets in the Weber Searwood. Can you taste any charcoal?
No.
I can't taste any charcoal.
So I don't know why.
I don't either. I mean, the thing was on the charcoal for 18 hours.
And yet, the 2 cooks where we weren't even trying to gauge additional flavor, bratwurst and burgers, the charcoal flavor really shined and brought it to another level.
Wow, that is amazing.
Cannot get that off the Searwood.
Holy crap. Now, is that the burger with the cheddar in it? Or is it the charcoal or what?
It's both, because these burgers are amazing anyway, but the charcoal flavor's there.
So if your main reason for getting the Masterbuilt Gravity is charcoal flavor with that set and forget capability, just know that that flavor won't be across the board. Some cooks will have it and others won't.
Even though the Gravity is designed to be a set and forget machine,
And she's full to the brim. We need to make sure this thing stays lit while I sleep. So at least 8 hours, hopefully, if I can sleep 8 hours, to be honest.
there are some quirks whenever you're dealing with charcoal.
Last night, it took me like an hour to get this thing lit. I don't know if there was too much ash.
And that's charcoal, I think.
I ain't into that. We're just gonna try to light it up here with this torch.
Everyone loves a good torch.
Like, see, right now already the smoke's dying.
I'm telling you, I think it's old charcoal.
I'm done with this.
Just light that post hook up.
This is a pain in the
Like, I normally let it sit for like a minute or two.
I can't hold my hand in there too
Let's
much
go under
longer.
again.
We must be doing something wrong. Come on now. Nope, it's dead. I'm sticking it all the way up in there, man.
Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it.
Is this even the official way?
I don't know.
This don't make no sense. Dude, what is happening right now?
Yeah, so a little bit's lit.
Come on now, let's light. Make it easy this week. Oh yeah, that's already almost lit.
So it was us.
It was definitely us. Now for this, I think I'm just gonna throw it on the plants. Isn't this supposed to be good for plant life? Don't know, what's the smart
I would
thing
put
to
it in
do?
the trash.
Oh, this is a mess.
I mean, this is normal charcoal daily life, man. This is definitely good for the plants.
And some definite quirks with the controller.
So we learned recently that if you use the app, you can set this to 150. I did that once, and now I can do it on the controller. It's almost like if you do it in the app once, it unlocks the controller. But what's strange, converse to that, is I no longer can use the app.
AI locked you out, man.
The app no longer connects to the damn device. The controller and the app and all that is weird. By the way, the app just started connecting to the controller again. I didn't do anything.
good. I set an update
A little strange
to the
there, but-
computer.
So, given our experience with the Masterbuilt Gravity 1150, would I recommend that you buy one now?
While I have missed charcoal since moving almost fully to wood pellets, and there was some fun in messing with that Gravity 1150, unfortunately, given the quirkiness, the now dead controller, and the rare difference in flavor between the charcoal on the Gravity and something like the Weber Searwood, as much as I want to say yes, I have to say no. At this time, I cannot recommend it. Now, apparently the Gravity XT series has solved a lot of these problems, at least that's the word on the street, but it's significantly more expensive at 1,800 bucks. Maybe one of these days, we'll put it through its paces. Thanks for hanging out. See you next time.
But the first time I ate your brisket is my birthday. I remember I woke up the next day and my legs were cramping, and I text you like, "Hey, I think I got old." He's like, "No, man, you ate a ton of brisket last night." I was like, "Oh yeah."
That's what happens.
But my legs were like cramped, like, "Oh my god."